Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your HONOR X7d won't turn on. First of all, try charging the battery. Connect your phone to the original charging and cable and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Sometimes the battery may be fully drained and needs time to accumulate enough power to start. And once you do that, try force restarting your phone by holding down the power button and the volume down key for 10 to 15 seconds to make your device turn on, and see if this enables your device. Now, if this doesn't help, check the charger and cable. Ensure that both of them are working by testing them with another device, or try a different charger and cable compatible with your phone. Also check the charger, the adapter or the charger and the cable for any visible damage to ensure that that they work properly. And if this doesn't help, then remove external accessories. So if you have a case or screen protector that might interfere with buttons, then temporarily remove them and repeat the force restart step. And if nothing helps you, then try booting into the recovery mode. Once your phone is turned off, let me turn it off real quick. Once your phone is turned off, you have to hold down the power button and the volume up keys simultaneously. Wait until the HONOR logo appears on your screen, and once it appears on your screen, you have to hold both of these buttons down until your device's screen turns off again. So let's wait, because it's gonna take at least like 15 seconds. Okay, and once your device's screen goes off, you have to release both buttons and then select restart option, either by tapping on it, or if tapping doesn't work, use volume up and down to move and power to select restart. Avoid tapping wipe data or factory reset unless you are willing to erase all data from your phone. And if nothing from the previous steps helped you, then you should seek professional help, because this might be a hardware problem. So contact HONOR customer support service or visit an authorized service center for assistance. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.